Before attending the BuildUp program by ASISA, though I'm employed, I had a problem on how to use my finances. On payday, I used to have a very small paper, which I thought was enough for me to know how to spend my money. But what used to happen is this: what I wrote on that paper that I should do, I ended up not doing it at all. I would buy things that I didn't plan to buy. I would buy things that I would realize later that, no, I didn't need this. So I benefited a lot from the program because it taught me how to budget. And not only to budget, but how to stick on that budget.
I attended a build-up session in ASISA. Firstly, I didn't know how to budget, but after I attended that session, I know everything about budgeting, saving. So it helped me a lot because now I know how to do my business.
Eyona nto endiye ndayenza ngokwahlukeleyo after ndifumene i-information ku-ASISA ngokubhajetha nangokuplana nangokusave imali, ndiye ndaqala ukuzenzela i-savings because yinto bendingenayongo leyo, so ndiyaseva ngoku.
One of the challenges that I experienced was sometimes the attendance. Understandable so, because all our workshops were done during a Saturday, that is a weekend. So people sometimes would have to go to funerals, go to whatever other events, or do their chores over the Saturday because it's working people. The highlights were the fact that those who attended, their enthusiasm with the program, the excitement that they show, they're very committed in making sure that whatever they learn, that is the theory part of it, they go and implement. So that was very, very exciting for me, and they were always very participating, during the workshops, which was very encouraging for me as well as a facilitator.
After the build-up workshop, I sat down with myself. I had to be sincere with myself, and I had to stop playing, because if you see me now, I'm not younger anymore, and I'm not growing younger anymore. So I said to myself, if ASISA has trained me on how to do a budget, then that's what I should do, that I should put the information I got from them into practice. I started budgeting on a very serious note.
Today, the session was about life cover. Most of us don't know what is important to have a life cover, but now I realized we have to have a life cover.
I-session ebendinayo namhlanje iye yandifundisa ngokuthi I have to ndibe nayo i-will, because i-will izawunceda into yoba xa sendingekho abantwana bam bakwazi into yoba imali yam bakwazi uyisebenzisa ngokwahlukileyo.
I think what has happened today in terms of bringing the speakers from the consumer protection officers, from the credit bureau, from the Institute of Financial Planners, I think it would be more beneficial for the attendees of the workshop if those kind of speakers or advisors or people, they get introduced after every workshop, not at the end, because I really feel that these people have got real challenges, real issues, and some of them are because of lack of knowledge, really, and information. And us as facilitators, we're not financial advisors. We're there to give information and make sure that they know where to go. So having those people in the same room while we're doing the workshop or soon after we've done the workshop, I think it would be more beneficial for the participants.